Available blind zone steering assist gives you a nudge in the right direction. This safety feature works with other available features designed to help keep you safe from potential collisions when changing lanes and moving traffic, like lane keep assist with lane departure warning and lane change alert with side blind zone alert. Blind zone steering assist can give your vehicle a firm, brief turn of the steering wheel to help avoid a potential collision with detected vehicles in the lane you're entering. To see if your vehicle has blind zone steering assist equipped, check your vehicle owner manual. Some vehicles are equipped with blind zone steering assist with trailering, which extends the detection range. Blind zone steering assist uses radar sensors and lane marking detection to alert you to moving vehicles that may be in your blind zone while changing lanes. If the feature detects that you may be entering a lane occupied by a vehicle in your side blind zone, the system will use a combination of sounds, alert icons, and steering inputs to warn you. You'll see this amber lane keep assist icon on your driver information center and a blinking lane change alert icon in the side mirror, hear 3 low beeps, and feel a firm nudge against the steering wheel in the opposite direction from the detected vehicle. If you have the safety alert seat equipped, you'll feel 6 pulses from the same direction as the detected vehicle. Blind zone steering assist doesn't steer, navigate, or operate turn signals or the brakes for you. You still need to operate the vehicle as usual. The feature is an extra defense against potential collisions during lane change actions. You can turn the feature on or off with the Lane Keep Assist button if equipped, which toggles the Lane Keep Assist with lane departure warning on or off as well. You can also turn the feature on or off from the settings menu of your center display. The feature is designed to work in clear weather conditions. If it's raining, snowing, foggy, or you have low traction because of wet or icy conditions, it's best to disable the feature. If blind zone steering assist is active, but the feature can't detect the lane markings, the Lane Keep Assist icon will turn from green to white. The feature won't be able to assist you unless it can detect the lane markings. Always check your rearview mirrors, glance over your shoulder, and use your turn signals before changing lanes. With blind zone steering assist, you can execute your next lane change with confidence.